Hi, I'm Chris Farron. I'll be giving a speech on the field of geology and how it has impacted society over the years. This is a wide field with many aspects, which makes it a very rewarding field for anyone who has a high interest in Earth and its structure. Geology, put simply, is the study of Earth. It focuses on what Earth is made out of and what processes led to Earth's materials being formed and taking the shape that they are. One other focus of geology is the study of organisms that call our planet home. Having a knowledge of the types of organisms that roamed the lands in the past help give geologists a better understanding of what ancient environments are like. For example, finding the fossil of a fish on land somewhere may be an identifier that there was once a body of water in that area. The people that make a living on studying the field of geology are called geologists. A large amount of geologists put a heavy focus into studying the dangers of the earth in order to better protect humanity from natural disasters or things of the same vein. Examples of these would be earthquakes, landslides, and floods. When trying to help with flooding, geologists often do research into the topography of an area to determine if it is flood prone or not. This is a very useful practice which has improved living conditions in many areas exponentially. One major impact that geologists have had has to do with the utilization of fossil fuels as a means for energy. Oil has been all over the earth since ancient times. However, it did not become easily accessible for high-level use until recently. Geologists in the past few decades have been getting better and better at pinpointing the exact locations where pools of oil may lie. These geologists often study aerial photographs and satellite images in order to find patterns or information that would lead them to believe oil is near. Locating oil was not always this exact, however. People used to just drill in random spots around already well-known wells, hoping to strike gold twice in the same area. One of the most advanced methods used by geologists today involves vibrations. Thumper trucks are used to create vibrations of the earth, which are then listened to by teams of geologists. This data is then plugged into computers and the seismic lines are studied to determine if oil is likely to be there or not. After the drilling is done, geologists continue to take samples of the rock to determine if it would be worthwhile to continue drilling. The process of oil drilling, which is spearheaded by geologists, is the backbone of the world's transportation industry. Another fossil fuel that geologists discover is coal. Coal is a type of sedimentary rock that is formed from ancient plants. Geologists over the years have used a variety of methods to discover this resource. However, recently there are 4 or 5 main ones that have been used the most often. One technique is called gravimetry. Gravimetry measures how the accelerations of gravity vary. Low measured gravity indicates the presence of openings such as caves where coal is located. One other technique involves seismic measurements. A strong reflection of seismic waves measured underground usually indicates that there's an opening or cavity where coal may be located. There are also electromagnetic techniques which analyze changes in resistivity. Voids where there is a likelihood of coal to be present often have low resistivity. This is due to acidic mine water being present. 2 other methods are ground-penetrating radar and magnetics. These, however, have proven to be not as reliable due to a number of limitations such as precision and depth. Thermal or steam coal is used mainly to generate power, which can be used in a variety of situations. Metallurgical or coking coal is used in the production of steel. Coal is also used in the production of silicone metals and fibers. Geology as a whole has had a tremendous impact on society. Without geologists doing work such as locating resources and working to prevent natural disasters, societies would never be able to run as efficiently as they do. Geologists have had a large part in the technological advancement of the world in our society today.